Is the idea of automated investing a little intimidating? Do you worry about giving up control of your hard-earned money? Well, with M1 Finance, you don't have to. M1 is not your typical robo-advisor. It's a hybrid platform that combines the simplicity of automation with the freedom of a self-directed brokerage, giving you the best of both worlds. How M1 Finance works. The core of M1 Finance is the pie. Think of it like a pie chart, where each slice represents an individual stock or an exchange-traded fund, or ETF. You decide what goes into each slice and what percentage of your total portfolio each slice represents. This is your target allocation. You can build your own pie from scratch, or you can choose from M1's professionally curated expert pies, which are designed for specific goals like retirement or growth. Once you've built your pie, you can use M1's powerful automation features to manage it on autopilot. Best practices for automated investing. The first best practice is to set up recurring deposits. M1 allows you to schedule regular transfers from your bank account. This is the foundation of a disciplined, long-term investing strategy. By consistently investing, you're practicing dollar-cost averaging, which helps reduce risk by smoothing out the average cost of your investments over time. You're buying when the market is up and when it's down, taking the emotion out of the process. The second best practice is to leverage M1's dynamic rebalancing. As the market fluctuates, the value of your pie slices will change. Some will grow, and some will shrink, causing your portfolio to drift away from your target allocations. M1's dynamic rebalancing solves this problem. Whenever you make a new deposit, M1 automatically directs that money to the underweight slices of your pie. This brings your portfolio closer to your target allocations without you having to manually sell and buy stocks, which can have significant tax implications. And finally, if you need a full reset, M1 offers a one-click rebalance. This feature buys and sells securities to bring your portfolio back to your target allocations immediately. While this can be a taxable event, it's a great tool to use for a major portfolio overhaul or to clean up a pie that has drifted significantly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.